A malware attack that relied on sophisticated social engineering techniques began when a user accessed a legitimate website that had been compromised. The site served a reCAPTCHA page designed to appear trustworthy, but completing the verification process secretly executed a command to download the highly evasive information-stealing malware, Lumma Stealer. Although the attack looked like normal user behavior, the underlying activity left subtle traces of its maliciousness. This is where Velocity's detection capabilities come into play. Velocity generated an alert titled Suspicious Execution via Run Window. Included is an AI summary that explains why this activity stands out. Here, it shows that PowerShell was executed through the Windows Run dialog, a common tactic abused by attackers to bypass standard workflows. The PowerShell was launched by Explorer.exe with arguments known to be associated with malicious behavior, including minimized execution and attempts to access an external URL. This URL, hosted on an unfamiliar domain, raises suspicion of malicious command and control communication or data exfiltration. The alert also clearly identifies the user account and host involved, giving the analyst immediate context to assess scope and impact before moving deeper into the investigation. The investigation begins on the alert page, and from here, the MDR analyst can pivot into Velocity search using Pathfinder collected endpoint data to uncover the full attack path. Starting with a PowerShell execution and using logs collected by Pathfinder, the analyst locates the malicious command and pinpoints critical detail. With the destination URL now exposed, the analyst shifts focus from file execution to user activity to determine if the attacker domain received any user interaction. Browser history collected by Pathfinder enables the analyst to search for related activity around the time of execution, data that confirms the user accessed the domain as part of the fake verification process. Before relying on external intelligence, the analyst verifies whether any network communication was attempted from the endpoint. Where available, system telemetry is used to check the DNS queries related to the suspicious domain to help determine if outbound communication occurred. With execution, user interaction, and network behavior confirmed, the analyst pivots to VirusTotal to assess the reputation of the identified domain. The results show that the domain has been flagged as malicious by multiple engines, reinforcing its role in the social engineering attack. Velocity's ability to correlate all relevant data sources gives you the power to ensure your investigations are complete and accurate every time.